If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by the sea of camera models, lens jargon, and tech specs, you're not alone. Choosing the right camera and lens can feel like learning a whole new language. But here's the truth. For most people, you don't need the most expensive setup or the latest release. What you really need is a camera and lens combo that's simple, reliable, and fun to use, something that helps you fall in love with photography without breaking the bank or your back. Let's start with a few cameras that strike that perfect balance. The Fujifilm X-S20 is a favorite among both beginners and enthusiasts. It's compact, lightweight, and produces images that look incredible straight out of the camera, thanks to Fuji's signature film simulations. It has in-body stabilization, fast autofocus, and even a flip-out screen, perfect for everything from street photography to family vacations to vlogging. It feels like a tool that's helping you create rather than getting in your way. If you're leaning toward Canon, the EOS R50 is a fantastic entry point. It's small, affordable, and incredibly easy to use. Canon's user-friendly interface and beautiful color science make it ideal for anyone transitioning from smartphone photography. Plus, it's part of the RF ecosystem, so you'll have access to some great lenses as you grow. Then there's the Sony ZV-E10. Even though it's marketed to vloggers, it's actually a great all-purpose mirrorless camera. You get Sony's best-in-class autofocus, excellent image quality, and full lens flexibility. It's light, compact, and makes both stills and videos look pro-level with minimal effort. And of course, we can't ignore the power of smartphones. Devices like the iPhone 15 Pro and the Google Pixel 8 Pro offer astonishing image quality, especially in everyday conditions. Their computational photography tools allow for stunning results with almost no setup. If convenience is your top priority and you want to travel ultralight, your phone might just be the best camera you already own. Now let's talk lenses. The lens you choose is just as important, if not more so, than the camera body. A great starter zoom for many systems is the Sigma 18 to 50mm f/.8. It's compact, sharp, and covers a versatile range that's ideal for portraits, landscapes, and everything in between. If you want one lens to do almost everything, this is a smart pick. Canon users should take a look at the RF 50mm f/1.8. This little lens is often called the Nifty 50, and it's a classic for a reason. It's small, affordable, and produces beautiful background blur, making it perfect for portraits and detail shots. It's also a great way to learn how to see like a photographer, since it encourages you to move your feet and frame your shots thoughtfully. For those who want more flexibility without sacrificing image quality, the Tamron 17 to 70mm f/.8 is an excellent all-in-one option. It's fast, sharp, and covers a great focal range for everything from wide shots to close-up portraits. It's especially handy for travel or everyday photography when you don't want to constantly change lenses. If you're using a Fujifilm body, the XF27mm f/.8 pancake lens is a dream for street and documentary photography. It's small enough to make your camera feel pocketable, yet sharp and fast enough to handle most lighting situations. It also gives you the classic "what you see is what you get" perspective that's great for storytelling. The best camera setup isn't necessarily the one with the longest spec sheet, it's the one that helps you capture the world the way you see it. Whether you're shooting portraits of your friends, documenting your travels, or just taking better photos of your daily life, the right gear should feel like a creative partner, not a technical hurdle. If you found this guide helpful and want more tips on gear, shooting techniques, and everything in between, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. There's a lot more coming your way, and I'd love to help you grow behind the lens.